Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Time for Tip It Tuesdays. Again, we're in the throes of open enrollment, and one of the most common questions I get asked is, can I do a group health plan because that's cheaper? Group health plans are not cheaper. Most of the time I get asked this because at some point this person worked for an employer who had group health insurance and they were paying $200 a month out of their paycheck. So they think group health insurance is cheaper. What they don't understand is the employer is paying a very large portion of that premium. That's why it seems cheaper. But you as an employer or a group, you're paying the full premium. So you're getting to see how much your employer actually paid for you, because now you're on the hook for 100% of that. And it's crazy, but unless you have at least 10 employees, this group pricing is going to be horrendous. It's going to be very expensive just for an HMO. And if you want a PPO, you just need to double it. As crazy as that sounds, it is not going to be any cheaper to offer a group plan, because if you have employees, you are required to offer it to your employees, and you are responsible as an employer to pay 50% of the employee premium. So not only are you paying 100% of yours and your family's premium, you're also paying 50% of any employee premium. And let's say your employee is getting marketplace coverage and getting a tax credit. They don't want your group plan, but they're going to be forced to give up their tax credit on the marketplace if they're offered a group health plan. So I've had people that decided not to do the group plan for that very reason, because it would cost their employees more money a month to be on a group health plan than it would be for them to go to the marketplace and get a plan. We're still looking at HMOs in both places because a PPO is going to be super expensive. So no, the answer is no. It is never less expensive to do a group plan unless you have a bunch of employees, and we can get you a better rate because the risk is being spread out over multiple employees, just not a few employees. So keep that in mind. We only have a little bit longer for open enrollment. So if you've not gotten on my schedule, it's filling up quick. December 15th is the cutoff to get you enrolled in a plan for 2026. Your plan will auto-renew if you don't do anything, so you don't want to do that because you're going to get hit with crazy amounts of increase. So until next week, peace out.